Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to check Jeep Cherokee transmission fluid. It is important to note that many newer Jeep Cherokee models, particularly those from 2014 onwards, are designed with sealed transmissions and do not feature a traditional dipstick for owners to check. For these vehicles, a special tool and a scan tool to verify fluid temperature are often required, meaning professional service is typically necessary. Always consult your owner's manual first to understand your specific model's requirements. For older Jeep Cherokee models equipped with a transmission dipstick, proper preparation is key. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a completely level surface to get an accurate fluid reading. Next, you will need to warm the engine to its normal operating temperature. Driving for about 15 minutes usually achieves this. Finally, engage the parking brake firmly and place the transmission in either neutral or park, as specified by your owner's manual. Now, locate the transmission fluid dipstick. It is typically found on the passenger side of the engine compartment and is often colored red or yellow for easy identification. Carefully pull the dipstick out of its tube. Using a clean, lint-free cloth or paper towel, thoroughly wipe all the fluid off the dipstick. Take a moment to observe the dipstick, noting the hot and cold markings, which indicate the appropriate fluid levels at different temperatures. Once the dipstick is clean, reinsert it fully into its tube until it seats properly. Wait a few seconds, then pull it out again to observe the fluid level. For a warm engine, the fluid should register between the hot marks on the dipstick. Also, check the fluid's condition. It should be a clear, reddish color. If the fluid appears dark, cloudy, or has a burnt smell, it may indicate a problem and require further inspection or service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.